You asked and I listened. You need to learn how to set up a YouTube account? Well, I'm here to help, and we're starting right now. My name is Amy from Camping Companions. Today, Kevin's behind the camera helping to film. Let me tell you that YouTube is the #2 search engine in the world. Guess who's #1? Google. And guess who owns YouTube? Also Google. So if you need to search something, you want to know how to paint a wall or pet your pig or grow a toupee, maybe we should search that. I'm just being silly, but you can find that on YouTube. Most people have a Gmail account. And again, Gmail also run by Google, #1 search engine. So Google will provide you with a free email address that you can use to sign into their free YouTube account, and so that you can watch videos and become more educated. Why do you want to set up a YouTube account? Possibly to support your favorite YouTube channel.
We're going to walk you through setting up your own YouTube account so you can start subscribing, liking, and commenting below. Step 1, go to your computer or your iPad. We're using our iPad. What you're going to want to do next is open a web browser. At the top of the screen, you'll have the address bar. It's different than the search bar. You're not going to be searching. We're just going straight to YouTube, which is youtube.com.
As you can see, I have several YouTube accounts that I sign into, but with different email addresses. Some for business, some for personal.
When you get to YouTube, you'll have the option to sign in, where you enter your email, or in the bottom, there's create an account. If you don't already have a YouTube account, obviously you want to choose that. We're going to tap it on our iPad, and you can choose between yourself or to manage your business. If this is just your personal, go to yourself. And you enter all of your information. There's first name, last name, email address, and you're going to create a password. It's asking you to use 8 or more characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Symbols are the things above the numbers, like the pound sign or dollar sign or whatever you want, exclamation point, that'll work too. So just create something that you'll remember. Better yet, write it down. If you have a little spot you keep your passwords in. And with Google Chrome, it'll always ask if you would like to save your password. That way you'll never have to remember it when you come back. So I've already entered my name, my email address, and created a password. All I need to do is click on Next. So to verify your email address in the next step, they'll send you a code which goes right to your email. So I've got my code, I entered it, and you click Verify. From there, it'll ask you for a phone number if you want. You can always link your iPhone or Android device right to YouTube, just to keep everything in one place. So you can enter that. It'll ask you for your date of birth and your gender. In the gender option, there's obviously male, female, and there's a rather not say if you don't want to tell them, and a custom button. Never seen that before. We're going to check that one out. There is it brings up a blank space where you can type it in if one of those doesn't fit with you. So for this, we're just going to go with male, and we click Next. You have your privacy terms and conditions. If you agree, select Agree. After you've agreed to the terms and conditions, it brings you right to where you can start searching for anything you could ever think of. There's movies, TV shows, camping companion videos, you name it, it's on here and well worth your time to watch. To start searching, there's a magnifying glass in the top right. You just type in whatever you could think of. In our case, camping companions. At the very top, that's a picture of us. Underneath, there's some other videos. Some of them are ours, some are related to camping. You can choose ours and see all of our videos by clicking on the video link. And there it is. All the videos we've created our campsite reviews, some cooking at the bottom. We've got a lot of interesting tips and tricks. Our latest one on tent camping is all the way at the top. Choose whichever one you'd like. Watch them all. We'd prefer it. Give us a thumbs up. Once you're here, you also want to subscribe so you get notified every time our new video comes out, which is every single week. Right here under our faces is a little subscribe. Click on subscribe. And it tells you you are. From there, when you're watching the movies, there'll be a little bell notification. We're gonna go into one of our videos, as I mentioned, tent camping, our latest to watch.
Now that you've set up your YouTube account, you can search anything you want and save it to your account so that you can go back and look at it later. This way, if you need to learn how to grow a toupee, all you have to do is go out, log into your account, and it'll be there. I typed in growing a toupee, and this is what come up. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel.
We already showed you how.
We expect lots of extra subscribers.
Thanks so much. And as always, happy camping.
What are you doing, Kevin?
I'm looking to see if we have any new subscribers.